welcome back to the A+oic. I trust we are all doing well and we are actually drinking from the cup of good health. We've done about 4 videos already and that has been sent, and I hope you've watched that. In today's video, I'm going to take you to the learning lab, right? Learning lab, that is, it's a lab that you can learn how to do your practicals, that is it. You're going to just learn it. It's a training session, right? So you won't be graded on anything, but enough of the talking. Let me just give you the A's, right? Let's go for the G's, right? So academic core, academic hub. So we have the last one, that is the learning lab. So I click on what? On this. Yeah, so I click on this, so you can see we have a whole lot, but don't worry, these are just few. We have a lot of them. Right? So I just created this during the testing. So this is what? Spreadsheet. As you can see, spreadsheet. This is what? Audio. So you can even create what? Sound, music, and etc. So let's give it a try. Let's give this one a try. So let me start this. Okay, so this is a song maker, right? So let me just maybe I want to just make maybe song maker. All right. So I open this, and then it opens. So I have to be creating the beat. You have to create what? Beat. So those doing creative art, I remember you are doing music, right? So I don't know, you are going to make your own beat, right? So you can use electronic, marimba. We have all of the music tools. So let me just, after creating this, let me just click on play. That's amazing. Even though not really planned, but I think we are having something that we've created, right? So here we have the marimba. Okay, I should click on this, it is going to play, right? Very good. And then we have the electronic, right? So if I should click on this, so you can increase the tempo, you can decrease the tempo. We have the microphone that you can be singing as well while the beat is ongoing. Okay, so this is the song maker. We have other tools. Okay, we have other tools that you are seeing. Rhythm sequencer, spectrogram, voice spinner, arpeggios, groove pizza, shared piano roll, and then you can go back, right? So that is just for music. And then here we have scratch. Here we have creative art, you can be drawing. And then here we have English as well. We have graphs, this is math. We have also math, that is algebra. We have a Canva for drawing. We have databases. So when you get to grade 7, grade 8, we'll be looking at databases. Here you can explore typing. So here you can just do something like a typing game, right? Maybe the hidden garden, right? The hidden garden beyond, right? So don't worry. The Tor, Rusty. I think I've missed something, but no problem. So here you can just be doing some typing speed test, right? So to just improve your typing skills, right, or your typing speed, right? So we can just go back from here. We have a lot of them. So this is also fit, right? Here you'll be having a lot of tools for science. So you can see on top here we have physics, we have chemistry, biology, earth science, mathematics. Okay, so any of them. So physics is light, electricity, heat, energy, all of those things that you do, forces, they are all under physics. Chemistry, you have the chemical equation, chemical formulas. You have all of this compound, atom, the element, periodic element table, they are all under chemistry. And we have biology. That is why we have the human, skeletal system. We have the reproductive system. We have the the neuron system, right? So we have all of these particular human parts. They all fall under what? Under biology, and then plant as well, right? So that is plant and animal. We have earth science, earth science just like geography, but I'm sure with science you also do something like earth, right? You study the earth, how it orbits in the solar system, and etc. Right? So let's assume maybe I'm looking at what? At sound. I click on sound, right? Okay, so just refuse to connect. No problem. By the time you check, it has been fixed. Okay, so maybe let's go to acid-base solution. Okay, so we have what? An intro. So an acid. So this is maybe strong acid, right? So okay, so strong base. So that is the what? Chemical formula, right? MOH, and then we are having what? M plus, and then an OH minus, right there. Okay, so you can just be playing with this, right? You can be playing with them, and then you're just going to just connect this to what you do in class. All right, you just have to just connect this with what you do in class, right? So you can even go to my solution. That is it. So they are asking you, so let me increase this, right? So this solution is acid. Take it to base. We have this. This is the pH. This is the concentration, right? So you can make it really concentrated, right? Less concentrated, right? So we have the graph in here. We have also the pH color, right? You know that what from 0 up to 7 is what is neutral, right? 7 is what is neutral, right? On the what. So as a science student, or as a student studying science, you have to use some of these tools to simplify your learning, and then help you to understand what you are learning better, and then connect better, right? So there are more tools that you may come to see later, right? You'll be coming to see this. So even here you can start to learn how to create a website by typing your own code, right? Like I should start from here. If I should start from here, so here, if in case I write an H1 tag, I have to write in the body. So let me write H1 tag. Yes, and then so you can just keep on writing, and then you close the H1 tag like that. So let me write inside. Okay, I think this particular editor would be looked at, okay, because it showed the position very well. Okay, so whilst creating, you'll be seeing the website showing up in here, right? So I think that is that. So as I've said, when you open the next time, you may see a lot of them, so you can just be exploring, right? You see a lot of tools, a lot of them will be in there for you. It is just for you to just use them, try your hands on them to understand. You don't understand anything you have your subject teachers there. You go and then you ask them, they help you, they explain to you, and then learning becomes fun. You know how we say it or how we do it at Hope of Glory, learning is it's fun, right? So I'll end this video in here. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this video, just in case I release a new video that is going to be on our lessons. I'm going to release videos on the first week and the second week. So make sure that you get notified by subscribing. And if you have any questions or challenges too, leave a comment or come see me in school or in class during lessons, and I'll take you through again. Until we meet again, this is the A+oic. Bye bye.